Okay, no problem. So we continue. So part number 3, transferring the fire through the intermediary. It's very interesting. When lighting something from the existing flame, one should not use intermediary, since lighting in the intermediary is equivalent to lighting fire for no purpose. For example, when lighting a cigarette, one should not light the match or a candle from the burning fire to use it for a cigarette. Rather, one should light the cigarette directly from existing flame. However, where it is difficult to light it from original flame without intermediary, it is permitted to use intermediary. For example, if one needs the fire to light his stove top, he may use the candle to transfer the fire from another source to the stove top. Okay, so let's see this with the cigarette. It's very funny. I mean, it's dangerous. Like if the person had, let's say, have a beard and he's going to lower his face to the electric stove, he can go on fire. Like, it's dangerous, I think. Or I'm not sure how. Or if he can just put a cigarette, I'm not sure if it's going to work. Just put cigarette on the coil and then start smoking. I'm not sure if it's going to go on fire. I'm not sure. Maybe it's going to work. I don't know. So one more time, transferring a fire through the intermediary. Okay. So again, when lighting something from existing flames, one should not use intermediary, since the lighting intermediary is equivalent to lighting the fire for no purpose. But it is for a purpose. Like most of the time, I think we would use this intermediary. I'm just thinking about it. For example, if you want to light the gas stove, so we have light in this 24 hours candle. So the flame is deep inside. There is no way that I can light the stove. So I would take a match and light the stove. So this match is going to be intermediary. Or to light candles for example, candles for Yom Tov. So I mean, if you have oil candles, so how exactly are you going to light? There is also no way. So you have to use the intermediary. So in which case you can light directly from there. I don't know, maybe if you do Havdalah, right? Havdalah meaning the second day of Yom Tov is Sunday. So and you have to take, as we explained, 2 candles. One candle you can light from there because you're going to hold it anyway. So that's the only scenario that I see, that you do not need the intermediary. In all other cases, I think we use intermediary. Okay, for example, the lighting cigarette. So about cigarette, yes. But again, if it's dangerous to go on fire or something, yeah, would be allowed to use a match or something. The lighting cigarette, one should not light the match or a candle from the burning fire and use it for a cigarette. So match is easy, but candle, I mean, you would not be allowed to put it off. So like you would leave it burning. Okay. Rather, one should light the cigarette directly from the existing flame. Okay. However, where it is difficult to light from original flame, right? From original flame, without an intermediary, from the difficult lights without an intermediary, it is permitted to use intermediaries. So as we said, I mean, it's very practical to use intermediary. For example, one needs the fire to light the stove top. He may use the candle to transfer the fire from another source of heat to stove top. I mean, not candle. Candle, as I said, it's not practical, right? You would need to leave it like that. Okay. So I just thought about cigarettes. The cigarettes in the place where I live, sometimes they advertise the price. So I saw in one place, so it's one cigarette $1. It's a crazy price. One cigarette $1. It's $20 a pack. I'm not sure. You have to be very, very rich. Some people would heavy smokers would smoke the whole pack a day. $20. Okay.